So hello guys, welcome to Python lecture. In this video we will see about function and modules of Python. So what is function? Function is just a block of code which executes some logic. Okay, and module is just a group of various functions with different logics. Okay, Python basically consists of two types of functions and module. First one is built-in and second one is user defined. Okay, so here first we will see about some built-in functions of Python. Until now we have seen or learned about the printf function, okay, which is used to just print a string or gives us output. Let me write a string hello. Okay, it just print hello in our output, right? Just like that, there is a max function. If we suppose we take 3 number, then it gives the maximum one in our output. Same as like for min function, it gives the minimum one. Okay, and we have one function named power, which is give the exponential of a number, right? So these all are the inbuilt function of Python. Now let's suppose you want to know all the built-in functions of Python. So for that, just write dir. Here dir refers to directory, then start a column and double underscore built-ins and just close the bracket. So this function gives you the total name of the built-in functions. Let me show you. So as you can see here, the entire list of built-in functions of Python is printed here, right? So these all are the built-in functions of Python. As I used the pop function before, here you can see that their name, and the max function that I have already used, right? Let's suppose if you want to know what the function actually does, then just write help and under bracket just write the function name. It will give all detail about the function, what it does or do. Okay, as you can see here, the entire detail of exit function is printed here, so you can also get it from here, and also you can Google it. Okay, Google is the best teacher, as we all know, so you can either search from the Google, or you can also get help from the Python shell, right? So now we will see about the modules of Python. So for using modules of Python, we first have to import it in our program. Okay, for that just write import and then the module name. Let's check math. Math is a module of Python which does all mathematical operation. Okay, then after just write the module name and dot. After dot, it will show the total function which is present under the math module. Okay, let's suppose, let me take a square root function. So for that, sqrt. So first we write the module name, then after the function name. Okay, then a square root of 9. See, it just give output 3, right? If we don't write the module name before the function, then it will give the error. Let me show you. As you can see that it throw a error, right? So always use the module name first before writing the function under the module. Now similarly, if we want to know all the built-in modules of the Python, so for that we write help and then under bracket just write modules. Okay, so it will show the entire modules present in Python, built-in modules of Python. As you can see here, it is writing please wait a moment while I gathering a list of all available modules. So here it will take some times to gather all the list of available modules of Python. Okay, so just wait for a moment. So as you can see here, the entire built-in modules of Python is printed on a screen, right? Let's suppose you don't know about the module. Okay, so just write help and then write the module name. Sorry, I get error. So for knowing the detail about any module, okay, first we have to import it. So let me first import, just import numpy, then write help under bracket module name. As you can see, the entire detail of the module is printed. Previously said that a module consists of numbers of functions, so here detail is also so big, so let me cut it. Okay, so in this lecture video we have learnt about the built-in modules and function of Python. Hope it's clear to all how to find the built-in name and how to use it. Okay, so keep practicing, keep learning. If anyone have any doubt, then comment below. I will help you out. So see you in the next lecture. Bye bye. Have a good day.